Hello friends, my name is Andres Urena. I'm an entrepreneur living in London, and I wanted to start a channel about Apple Keynote. So for those out there that you haven't heard of Apple Keynote is the PowerPoint version for the Mac. So it's the native, original version of the PowerPoint, designed specifically for the Mac. It was actually commissioned by Steve Jobs at some point in time to help him make the presentations for the WWDC and all Apple events. And it's a great software. It's kind of a marriage between Adobe Illustrator and PowerPoint. So you get those quality graphics, quality vector graphics, and those kind of very fine editing capabilities of the software, but also kind of in an environment that is really easy to use and really well known as PowerPoint. Here in Elephant, here the channel is called Elephant because I have a company actually that helps CEOs and C-levels and executives to make their presentations, and we use Keynote. We always have been using it for about 15 years. I've been doing presentations in Keynote for as long as I can remember, and it's just a great software to be with and to do presentations with. So in this channel, I want to get a little bit deeper in terms of the history, in terms of the tips, and in terms of the tricks, and just teach you how to use it fully so you can make great presentations despite of not being a great designer or not being really creative, because Keynote is really good for that. So let's get to it. Thank you for being in the channel. Welcome.